So how to set an alarm on your new Apple Watch? You can do it with your Siri. Suppose, hey Siri, turn on alarm for 1 a.m.
I've turned on your 1 a.m. alarm.
It's done. Turn off alarm for 1 a.m.
I've turned off your 1 a.m. alarm.
It's very simple. If you want to add it manually, then go to your menu and see this kind of icon. Press on this, and then you can see the plus icon. Press on plus icon, then you can optimize it. Suppose I want to take it to, and then 30, and make it AM to PM. Press on PM and press on OK. So it's turned on, and if you want to turn off it, just turn off. So this is how you can easily do it with your iPhone to set a alarm on or Apple Watch. So hope it is helpful. If you like it, please thumbs up and do subscribe. Thank you very much. Have a good day.